welcome guys. We're on a tram over at Hollywood Studios. We're actually going to take you guys out, show you where the tram goes, and then we're going to ride it on back in so you have a feel for what these tram routes are. And this is actually a smaller tram. Got Morgan over there.
Hey.
And the person doing all the talking sits way back there. So we're about in the middle of the tram right now. Over in this side there, you got the Indiana Jones stunt show. As I said, this is Hollywood Studios. You got Mickey Mouse up there. If you guys see through the window right there that you get to see the main entrance.
And for my friends on board, please sit back, relax, and driver, we are clear for dispatch.
And here we go. You heard them. We're clear for dispatch. Parking lot's pretty full out there.
Remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
And every now and then we do like to get these posted out there. We get a lot of people that ask for these tram rides. They want to see where they're going in retrospect to where they're parking and stuff. And some people just like the trams all around. And maybe it puts them in the mood of being back in Walt Disney World. But as you guys are parking your car, you can see on the right and the left, you got the parking. You got the Skyliner way up there in the background. But over here, you're going to want to remember where you're at. So each one of these light poles out there are pretty much marked. So you're going to see where you're at. You got Mickey out there right now, so you're in the Mickey section. As you go down, these do change, but you do have numbers on the ground near these green cones. So you want to remember what number lane you're in when you park your car. I like to take a little picture of that, keep it in my phone, so when I get back out at nighttime, I do have it. And if you think that you can park here and not get lost, oh, you're in for a treat. It did happen to me in this very parking lot probably a decade and a half ago, guys. I, for the life of me, could not find my car, and I was in the total wrong area. And you think you park right here, but that's not always what it seems. But this is our first parking stop, so we're going to make a stop here. And if you're parking here, this is where you're getting out. So you see all the people, they just leave, they'll walk out. Another look. I'm going to bring the camera around the other way. You got the Skyliners up there. You got the Swan, you got the Dolphin over there. And you got a little bit of the Swan Reserve over there where the Skyliners are making their final descent. That little bit, you got that little bit of a hotel sticking up above, the little blue and white one there. Right to the right is the big triangle. But you got the Hollywood Tower Hotel. And look back there, you got Mickey Mouse up on the ball way back there. But once again, this is the first stop, and we're going to see if they're going to make another one or if this is going to be the last stop. Kind of a short walk if it's just one stop, but we'll see. And they do have these over at Epcot. They do have them at the Magic Kingdom. They do have them over at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. And it's not really, it's hot out today, but not too hot. I'd say it feels like it's around like, what, 86, 88?
On there, yeah.
Somewhere in there.
There's a breeze to it.
Yeah. Morgan sporting the old Mickey Mouse hat today. I haven't seen that one in a long time.
Yep.
I'm still on the hunt for my new hat. I just haven't found one. I did find one. It was over at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. And I think I'm going to get over there again and grab it. I just want to make sure I got that feeling that it's the right one. And it just says Animal Kingdom Lodge on it. I just hate getting the wrong color hats and stuff. You get them, you wear them, and they, get all like stains on them and stuff. Oh, it's a mess. So I like to get the, usually like the earth tone hats. They last a little bit longer. Morgan's got the, it's like not a summer hat. So it's, that one there is kind of like a winter hat, maybe a winter and fall. He's got the solid back on it. So I know they make the ones that are vented in the back. I'm not really a fan of the vented ones. And there's one you look like in the front. So that's another one making its way back.
And it's safe to board. And it's not yet, friends, not yet. Stay behind those red poles. Stay behind the red poles, friends. Remove. Thank you for waiting, guys. Welcome aboard. Watch your head and step as you enter and sit facing forward.
Once again, when you guys are seeing this, is it pulls up, you got these red poles and you need to be behind them. And that's the stuff they need to do more about. I think they need to have a better system in place, because you just get a lot of people that abuse it, and it slows it down for everybody out there. It makes a mess.
Or umbrellas that have to be folded prior to go to this track.
And give me a hallelujah, we're back on our way, guys. And this is pretty much coming to the end right now. Up here, we're gonna take a left. It's gonna go over to the, take a left that goes around to the left. How's that?
Arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram
And here we go.
And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas. Manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
And now you make your way back up to the Hollywood Studios. So once again, this is one of the forms of transportation when you guys are out here. There's several different forms.
Driver, clear the track.
And now we're gonna pick up a little speed and start heading on in. And these are a nice way to get around if you guys aren't all keen on the whole walking. It's a little bit of a walk on in, but it's nice to just sit back, kick your feet up and go on in. And it's something new to go on too.
Today the car will remain open until 9 p.m. and we have one shorter.
You got the old Skyliners making their final run into the departure station right there. So you're going to go into the Skyliner station. It's going to do a spin around. You're going to get out, and then you have to get off right there. You can't stay on, but you can't walk around and get back on if you want to. You just can't stay in the cart. And those cars are, once again, handicap accessible. So if you guys have somebody that needs assistance, you do have the extra carts, and they'll load in a different area. You're going to walk up the same, and they'll send you to a different section, and you get your own little cart.
As we are approaching our one and only stop at the main entrance, please remain seated holding on to school children's until we make that full and complete stop. Once we make that full and complete stop, everybody should be exiting on the driver's right hand side and the driver's right hand side only. If you have any wheelchairs, strollers, please make sure to cross that yellow safety line on the ground and assemble that wheelchair and stroller on the right hand side of the yellow line.
The Hollywood Studios. You got Mickey way up there on top. And you got the old-fashioned picture in it's like a little billboard with an old-fashioned car picture on it. And usually right there, right underneath the Mickey Mouse, that's where they have like the meet and greet of the Mickey up on top, Donald, Daisy, Minnie Mouse.
And
we're getting off, so we'll see you guys in the next one.
Please watch your head.